What if the most astonishing truths about our world, the kind that could rewrite history and reshape our understanding of reality, were hidden in the most unexpected places? Locked beneath frozen landscapes, drifting silently beyond the stars, or even concealed in plain sight. Every day, military drones and state-of-the-art technology are revealing mind-bending discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew. From ancient organisms awakening after thousands of years to celestial events that defy all logic, these are the revelations no one was ever supposed to witness. Get ready, because today we're venturing deep into the unknown. What we've uncovered will leave you speechless. Deep in the jungles of Honduras, drone-mount LiDAR technology uncovered the legendary White City, also called the City of the Monkey God, a civilization hidden for centuries. In the year 2012, researchers used light detection and ranging to map the remote Mosquitia region, allowing them to penetrate the thick jungle canopy. The scans revealed a vast network of plazas, pyramids, and structures, proving the existence of a sophisticated lost civilization. A ground expedition in the year 2015, guided by these scans, unearthed untouched artifacts, including intricately carved stone figures and ceremonial seats. These findings gave rare insight into the daily life and traditions of the city's ancient inhabitants. This breakthrough showed how drone-mount LiDAR can overcome the barriers of dense rainforests, paving the way for future archaeological discoveries. But what if I told you that lost civilizations aren't only hidden in Honduras? Deep in the Amazon rainforest, another astonishing discovery is changing history. Recent breakthroughs in drone technology have uncovered a vast network of ancient geoglyphs hidden beneath the dense Amazon rainforest, reshaping what we know about pre-Columbian civilizations in the region. In the Brazilian state of Acre, researchers have identified more than 450 massive geometric earthworks, some dating back nearly 2,000 years. These astonishing formations, featuring circles, squares, and intricate polygons stretching over half a mile, are believed to have been gathering sites for communal or ceremonial purposes, rather than permanent settlements. Far from being a completely untouched wilderness, the Amazon was a carefully managed landscape shaped by its ancient inhabitants. Studies suggest these societies actively controlled their environment, practicing sustainable agroforestry by selectively cultivating valuable tree species. We've uncovered how ancient civilizations transformed the landscape beneath the jungle canopy. But what about the mysteries that lie beyond our planet? Now let's turn our gaze to space, where an unexplained signal has left scientists searching for answers. The first fast radio burst, called the Lorimer burst, was detected in the year 2007 at the Parkes Observatory in Australia. This discovery opened a new chapter in astrophysics, revealing that FRVs were part of a vast, unexplored phenomenon. In January of the year 2025, astronomers traced an FRB to the outskirts of an ancient, dead elliptical galaxy, challenging the belief that these bursts mostly originate from young galaxies. This breakthrough was made using the Gemini Observatory, which captured high-resolution images. Additionally, a study published in June of the year 2024 examined the polarized light from 128 non-repeating FRBs, suggesting they come from galaxies with moderate densities and magnetic fields. While the origins of FRBs remain a mystery, one theory links them to magnetars. A study from January of the year 2025 traced an FRB to just 10,000 kilometers from a neutron star, adding weight to this theory. Signals from the depths of space are fascinating, but what about the possibility of life beyond Earth? Could an undiscovered planet be hiding an environment like our own? The next revelation might change everything. B is a massive rocky exoplanet orbiting an orange star called Gliese 2141. Discovered in the year 2009 by the Kepler Space Telescope, this planet has intrigued scientists due to its Earth-like features, raising questions about its potential to support life. However, its extreme density suggests a massive iron core, making up between 30 and 50% of its total mass. Despite some similarities, the planet's surface, atmosphere, and climate make it completely uninhabitable. Like most planets near their stars, it does have an atmosphere, but its close proximity to Gliese 2141 causes surface temperatures to soar to nearly 3,000 degrees Celsius. This intense heat is so extreme that it melts and even vaporizes rock, turning the planet into a hostile inferno. These brutal conditions make it one of the most unlivable worlds ever discovered. While Earth remains a rare oasis for life, rising temperatures in certain regions are already causing devastating changes, threatening ecosystems and biodiversity. Finding an exoplanet with Earth-like traits is exciting, but the universe is filled with extreme and violent events. What happens when a black hole devours an entire star? Before we continue, I have a quick 10-second favor to ask. If you enjoy these discoveries, press the notification bell and hit that subscribe button. It really supports this channel, and I promise my team and I will work even harder to bring you the best content possible. In early 2022, the Zwicky Transient Facility spotted an unusual tidal disruption event named AT 2022 CMC, located about 8.5 billion light-years away. This marked the most distant TDE ever observed and the first detected through optical wavelengths. It showed a supermassive black hole ripping apart a star, ejecting material in a jet toward Earth. In the year 2021, astronomers observed another TDE, at 2021 EHB, where a giant black hole 250 million light-years away devoured a star. NASA's New Star satellite provided detailed X-ray data, shedding light on how black holes consume matter. In October 2024, astronomers made another breakthrough. The black hole V404 Cygni, located 7,800 light-years away, was found to be part of a triple star system. This discovery challenges theories of black hole formation and suggests a new, calmer process called direct collapse. These findings are transforming our understanding of black holes, revealing new mysteries about the most powerful forces in the universe. In the year 2013, satellite archaeology researcher Angela McColl spotted unusual land formations about 12 miles east of Abu Sidhum in Egypt's Minya Governorate. High-resolution satellite images revealed structures that closely resembled heavily eroded pyramids. Later visits to the site hinted at the presence of an ancient complex, though further archaeological studies are needed to confirm its origins and significance. 2 years later, in October of the year 2015, the Scanned Pyramids project was launched, an ambitious global collaboration led by Cairo University and the French HIP Institute. Using advanced, non-invasive technologies like infrared thermography, muon tomography, and three-dimensional modeling, the project aims to unlock new secrets of Egypt's Old Kingdom pyramids. One of the project's most astonishing discoveries came in the year 2017, when researchers found a massive, unexplored void hidden above the Grand Gallery in the Great Pyramid of Giza. Now called the Scanned Pyramids Big Void, this mysterious space spans at least 30 meters but remains completely inaccessible. Its purpose is still unknown, fueling ongoing debate and scientific curiosity. As we search for lost civilizations, nature continues to defy expectations. In one of the most radioactive places on Earth, wildlife is thriving in ways that scientists never thought possible. In recent years, drone technology has granted unprecedented access to the Chernobyl exclusion zone, revealing a thriving ecosystem that continues to flourish despite the radioactive contamination left by the nuclear disaster of the year 1986. With human activity nearly absent, wildlife has reclaimed the land, with species such as wolves, boars, and moose freely repopulating the area. Surprisingly, many of these animals show genetic adaptations that may help them survive in high radiation conditions. Studies suggest that Chernobyl's wolves might carry mutations that offer resistance to cancer, a discovery with potential implications for human medicine. Likewise, stray dogs, descended from pets left behind during the evacuation, appear to have developed genetic traits that help them endure constant radiation exposure and environmental toxins. Even eastern tree frogs, usually bright green, have been observed with significantly darker pigmentation, a possible evolutionary response to shield against radiation-induced damage. These discoveries challenge long-standing beliefs about nuclear disaster zones, proving nature's remarkable ability to adapt and recover. Beyond ecological resilience, studying these genetic changes could unlock groundbreaking insights into genetics, environmental science, and human health. As research into Chernobyl's wildlife continues, scientists may uncover vital breakthroughs in radiation resistance and survival under extreme conditions. Recent drone surveys have exposed that the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is significantly larger than previously believed, spanning about 1.6 million square kilometers, twice the size of Texas or 3 times that of France. The GPGP holds an estimated 1.8 trillion plastic fragments with a total weight of around 100,000 tons. In the years 2021 and 2022, Foresight drones, in collaboration with Oceans Unmanned, conducted extensive aerial surveys to measure the extent of marine debris accumulation. Over 2 6-week expeditions, they carried out 34 drone flights, capturing nearly 27,000 images and identifying 3,000 individual pieces of floating waste. Using advanced machine learning-based object detection models and geographic information systems, scientists analyzed and mapped the images to determine the distribution and density of the pollution. These findings reveal a worsening crisis, emphasizing the need for global efforts to combat plastic pollution and protect marine life. The scale of ocean pollution is alarming, but what about discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew about life itself? A meteorite from Mars may hold the ultimate clue. The discovery of the Martian meteorite ALH 84001 in the year 1984 and the announcement in the year 1996 of possible traces of ancient Martian life were major milestones in planetary science. Discovered in Antarctica's Allen Hills region, the 1.93 kilogram meteorite was confirmed to be from Mars through isotopic testing. NASA scientists, including David S. McKay, reported features in the rock they believed could be Martian microfossils, such as elongated structures, iron-rich minerals, and organic compounds. This sparked intense excitement and debate, even drawing a statement from President Bill Clinton. However, skepticism soon emerged as many experts argued that these features could have formed through non-biological processes. By the late 1990s, the theory of ancient Martian life had been widely challenged. Later studies, including one in the year 2020, found nitrogen-bearing organic compounds, suggesting that Mars may have once had conditions suitable for life. These discoveries continue to drive scientific interest in the red planet. Hyperion, also called Saturn VII, is a moon that stands out for several fascinating reasons. Discovered by William Cranch Bond in the year 1848, it immediately drew attention due to its unusual features. Unlike most moons, Hyperion has a porous structure and an irregular, chaotic shape. In fact, it spins unpredictably, adding to its mystery. Scientists believe its odd composition is the result of massive impacts that shattered it, only for it to later come back together. Despite its porous surface, Hyperion has a surprisingly high density, mostly made of water ice with some rock mixed in. What makes Hyperion truly remarkable is its irregular shape, which challenged the long-standing idea that moons must be round. It was the first known moon that defied this expectation, sparking great interest in the scientific community. Its surface is marked by deep craters and towering mountains, making it unlike any other moon in the solar system. Additionally, its low density has led to much debate about its origin and structure. While Hyperion is just one of many moons orbiting Saturn, its unique traits make it one of the most intriguing. What do you think caused Hyperion's chaotic spin and irregular shape? Could it be the result of an ancient cosmic collision, or is there something even stranger behind it? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel for more fascinating discoveries. The Antennae galaxies, officially named NGC 4038 and NGC 4039, are a pair of interacting spiral galaxies located in the constellation Corvus. These celestial bodies were first observed by the famed astronomer William Herschel on February 7, 1785. At the time, Herschel mistakenly classified them as a single planetary nebula due to their compact and overlapping appearance. For several 100 million years, these galaxies have been locked in a slow-motion cosmic collision, creating two massive tidal tails that stretch outward like the antennae of an insect. This galactic encounter has triggered an intense starburst phase, where rapid star formation has led to the creation of countless young star clusters. Recent research has provided new insights into their distance from Earth. While older estimates place them at about 65 million light-years away, updated calculations suggest they are actually closer, around 45 million light-years. The ongoing merger of the Antenndae galaxies is a crucial event in understanding galaxy evolution. It offers insight into how spiral galaxies transform into elliptical ones. Additionally, observations of this interaction have played a key role in refining models of galactic collisions, particularly the Tumori sequence, which maps the various stages of these cosmic mergers. In July of the year 2024, archaeologists released a groundbreaking study on a 21,000-year-old glyptodont fossil found along the Reconquista River in northeastern Argentina. The fossil, showing cut marks on its pelvis, tail, and body armor, suggests that early humans may have butchered this ancient giant. This discovery provides crucial insights into human interactions with megafauna during the late Pleistocene period. Earlier, in August of the year 2023, another incredible find in Argentina revealed a glyptodont cub alongside 3 adult glyptodonts. This rare discovery, now housed at the San Pedro Paleontological Museum, offers a unique glimpse into the life and environment of these prehistoric creatures. Glyptodons were massive, plant-eating mammals with thick, armored shells and tails protected by segmented rings. Closely related to modern armadillos, DNA analysis has confirmed their evolutionary connection. These discoveries, made possible through military drone surveys in remote areas, continue to expand our understanding of early human life and the animals they once coexisted with. While we uncover buried secrets, one mysterious find beneath a historic cathedral is stirring up more than just curiosity: what could be hidden beneath the surface? In April of the year 2022, archaeologists uncovered 2 lead sarcophagi beneath Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. One belonged to Antoine de la Porte, a high priest who died in the year 1710, while the other was identified as Renaissance poet Joachim du Bellay, who passed away in the year 1560, based on specific skeletal anomalies. During the cathedral's restoration after the year 2019 fire, over 1,000 fragments of a 13th-century rood screen were discovered. Some pieces, weighing up to 400 kilograms, still showed traces of original paint. Notably, Notre Dame is the first known Gothic cathedral to use iron in construction, with large iron staples reinforcing the stonework. Additionally, numerous medieval sculptures and artifacts were found, providing invaluable insight into the cathedral's rich architectural and artistic heritage. Blood Falls, located at Taylor Glacier in East Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys, is a striking natural phenomenon discovered in the year 1911. This waterfall emits red, iron-rich brine that stains the ice, a result of brine seeping from a subglacial reservoir beneath the glacier. The brine oxidizes upon exposure to air, creating a distinctive red hue. Contrary to earlier beliefs, the color isn't due to algae but iron-rich nanospheres. The brine supports a unique ecosystem of 17 microbial species, thriving in extreme cold, darkness, and high salinity, using chemical reactions for energy. A study in the year 2023 confirmed that red coloration is caused by oxidized iron nanospheres. In May of the year 2014, brine releases were captured on camera for the first time. The extreme conditions at Blood Falls offer insights into astrobiology, potentially providing clues about life on other planets like Mars, where similar subsurface environments might exist. In the year 2024, a mysterious sinkhole appeared in the Rostov region of southern Russia, sparking widespread curiosity. A man filmed the hole, which was strikingly round, situated in the middle of agricultural land. This discovery adds to a series of unusual sinkholes that have appeared across Russia in recent years. For instance, in the year 2014, a massive sinkhole measuring 35 meters deep was found in Siberia following an unexplained eruption that launched soil and rocks up to 120 meters away. Scientists now propose a new theory to explain these giant craters. They suggest that the sinkholes form in areas with specific conditions, particularly in Russia's northern Yamal and Yidan peninsulas. The theory posits that these craters developed in the spots where ancient lakes once bubbled with natural gas from the permafrost below. As the lakes dried up, freezing temperatures sealed the gas vents. Over time, the buildup of gas eventually led to explosive releases, forming the giant craters we see today. The next discovery sheds light on a phenomenon that could change the way we view the Earth itself. In the year 2007, researchers in Siberia uncovered an astonishing find, a cache of seeds from Silene stenophila, also known as narrow-leafed campion. These seeds, estimated to be between 20,000 and 40,000 years old, had been preserved in permafrost inside ancient ground squirrel burrows near the Kolyma River. This remarkable discovery provided a rare opportunity to study plant life from the Pleistocene epoch. Fast forward to the year 2012, when a team of Russian scientists accomplished something groundbreaking. They successfully regenerated plants from these ancient seeds. Using advanced tissue culture techniques, they cultivated 36 plants from the placental tissue of the seeds. These regenerated plants displayed subtle differences from their modern counterparts, such as longer and more widely spaced petals. Even more astonishing, the seeds from these ancient plants had a 100% germination rate, surpassing the 90% rate observed in present-day plants. Easter Island, a secluded landmass in the southeastern Pacific Ocean, is famous for its towering moai statues, nearly 1,000 monumental figures carved by its Polynesian settlers. Archaeologists estimate that the first inhabitants arrived between the years 800 and 1200 AD, establishing a thriving civilization. However, over time, deforestation and environmental changes led to major societal struggles. By the time European explorers arrived in the year 1722, the island's population had dramatically declined. Chile officially annexed Easter Island in the year 1888, and it remains a Chilean territory today. Although no direct connections between Easter Island and Argentina have been confirmed, ongoing research continues to reveal new details about its past. In recent years, cutting-edge imaging technologies, including military drone surveillance, have provided unprecedented aerial perspectives of hidden archaeological sites. These efforts are allowing scientists to unravel the remaining mysteries of the island's lost civilization. The discovery of emeralds in Russia's Ural Mountains in the early 19th century reshaped the global gemstone industry. In December of the year 1830, a peasant named Maxim Kozhevnikov found green crystals near the Tokovaya River and presented them to the Royal Lapidary Factory in Yekaterinburg. This led to organized mining, with the first extraction recorded in January of the year 1831. By the year 1833, the Malasheva deposit was discovered, becoming a major emerald source, despite setbacks like flooding in the 1850s. By the year 1899, the mine was leased to an Anglo-French company, making it a global leader in emerald production. The Ural Mountains emeralds form in a rare geological zone, producing gems with a distinctive yellowish-green hue. Recent modernization efforts have improved extraction and security, with military drones aiding surveillance. Russia remains a key emerald producer, preserving its legacy in the gemstone industry. Our next discovery takes us to a place where even ancient animals are coming back to life. The Mendenhall Glacier near Juneau has been receding rapidly since the year 2005, uncovering tree stumps and logs over 1,000 years old, some still standing with roots and bark intact. These trees, likely spruce or hemlock, were preserved under a protective gravel layer. In Wrangell St. Elias National Park, melting ice has exposed artifacts like weapons and baskets, some dating back nearly 3,000 years. These discoveries provide crucial details about early human activity and environmental conditions in ancient Alaska. As climate change accelerates glacial retreat, more hidden relics are expected to emerge. Military drones are now being used to survey these rapidly changing landscapes, uncovering secrets buried beneath the ice for millennia. In the year 2020, reindeer herders in Siberia made a remarkable discovery, a perfectly preserved brown bear carcass emerging from the permafrost on Bolshoy Layakovsky Island, part of Russia's Arctic archipelago. This find was extraordinary because it included not just the bear's fur, skin, claws, and teeth, but also soft tissues such as body fat and internal organs. At first, scientists believed the remains belonged to an extinct cave bear from the Ice Age, dating back between 22,000 and 39,500 years. However, further radiocarbon dating and genetic analysis confirmed that the bear was actually a brown bear that lived approximately 3,460 years ago. A study conducted by scientists from the Zagreb Mammoth Museum Laboratory at Northeastern Federal University in Yakutsk revealed that the female bear stood about 5 feet 1 inch tall and weighed approximately 172 pounds. Researchers also found traces of unidentified plants and bird feathers in the bear's stomach, likely remnants of its last meal. This rare discovery provides a unique opportunity to study the anatomy and health of ancient brown bears, offering valuable insights into their biology and the environment they once thrived in. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to us. Click on the video that appears on your screen right now. I'm sure you'll love this content. Comment below about the next country you want to see featured on our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Thanks for joining us. Leave a comment, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.